A brief introduction to quality management systems, QMS. ISO/TS 16949, year 2009. The base for ISO TS 16949 2009 is ISO 9001, year 2008, upon which the TS specific requirements are added. The base is ISO 9001 2008 added with TS specific requirements. The roof portion would be called as customer specifics. This is the overall structure of ISO TS 16949 2009. Now let us focus on ISO 9000 series, which is the base for ISO TS. Friends, first edition came in the year of 1987. Subsequently, second edition came in the year of 1994. With a lot of changes, third edition was published in the year of 2000, which is aligned to PDCA cycle. And the latest is now the fourth edition, published in the year of 2008. Should we have to audit? Yes. Audits, whether it is internal or external, whether it is first party audit or second party audit or third party audit, both ISO 9001 and ISO TS 16949 will be audited through a standard numbered as ISO 19011-2002. In other words, it is a common auditing standard for QMS, EMS and OSHAs. (9004) is another standard. ISO 9004 is another standard which is aiming at improving the performance of an organization and of course the customer satisfaction levels beyond ISO 9001. Friends, the so-called ISO TS 16949 QMS is only for automobile manufacturing and servicing companies. A non-automotive company cannot go for a certification. Means they may adopt the good systems mentioned in ISO TS, whereas they cannot claim for a certification. So ISO TS is only for automobile companies. What is ISO? It is International Organization for Standardization. The headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. Their main activity is to publish a lot of standards and specifications. They will prepare and publish. Any such concerns, firms can go for ISO 9001. Let it be a bus stand or a product process industry or a hotel or hospital. Why not? A textiles or a police station. Any firm can appear for ISO 9001 certification process. TS, it is only for automobiles. TS stands for Technical Specification. What is it? There will be lot of technical committees under ISO in Geneva. They will be going on drafting various international standards. They will be preparing. Subsequent to their preparation, the standard or the draft will be circulated to the members for a voting process. Yes, India alone is not going to vote. The voting is not restricted to countries like India. There will be a voting system even with ISO. How the voting takes place? All the members will be voting for that particular draft. There may be a situation wherein the vote percentage in acceptance in favor of the new draft to the tune of 50%, or maybe more than 50% or less than the 2/3 of the members voted. Means roughly to the tune of 66%. PAS, publicly available specification. The result of voting, if it is only between 50 to 67, then it will be released as not ISO. It will be released in the name of ISO/PAS, publicly available specification. No. Now the case is, in voting, during voting, it has got more than 67%, whereas less than 75%. In such a case, the draft shall be released as not ISO again, ISO/TS, ISO/TS. The third category is more than 75%. Then directly that particular draft may be released as an ISO standard. So currently the automotive standard should be called as not ISO, rather ISO TS 16949, because it has gained the votes to the tune of 67% plus, whereas not touched the mark of 75%, the magic figure of 75%. So that's how the voting process will be commenced. Result of the voting will be release of the draft in the name of ISO/PAS or ISO/TS or directly ISO.